Well, in her own words, former Livingston County Judge Theresa Brennan loses a long legal battle to keep her job and her reputation.
This was a case of sex, lies, and courtroom drama. Brennan is now a convicted felon pleading guilty to perjury.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has been covering her case from the beginning, and he's live in Livingston County with her admission in court and reaction. Jim.
Yeah, the trouble for Theresa Brennan in this criminal case started when she lied under oath in her own divorce. She tried to wipe her cell phone clean of texts and other damaging evidence. The attorney who jammed her up in that divorce, also here today.
The only reason she pled is because the evidence was overwhelming.
Former Judge Theresa Brennan takes a plea deal from the state attorney general. Charges of tampering with evidence, misconduct in office are dropped. Perjury is her felony conviction.
Is your wish to plead guilty today?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
The evidence: Brennan asked a court staffer to clean her cell phone her ex-husband paid for and wanted to inspect in their divorce, and then lied about it in testimony she gave in a deposition.
Did you make that statement knowing that it was false?
Yes.
And did you do so in a misleading way?
Yes.
Earlier this year, Brennan was removed from the bench by the Judicial Tenure Commission and the state Supreme Court for deception and abuse of power. That centered on the murder trial of Jerome Kowalski, who was found guilty in her court. Brennan had an affair with the lead investigator. Kowalski's been granted a new trial set for next year. What would you like to say to this community after all this time?
No, we can't go in there.
Do you have anything to say at all to the people who elected you and put you in power? Was the evidence overwhelming? Is that why she took the deal?
I don't have anything to say.
It's going to be cathartic for our community because it's going to help to remove a stain on our community and our judicial system. It doesn't end the problem, but it's a big start.
Brennan is set for sentencing here next month. Get this, the sentencing guidelines, 0 to 6 months, even though perjury is a 15-year felony. Will she do any time? That'll be up to visiting Judge Paul Cusick, who's presiding over this case from Wayne County, Detroit. There's additional trouble for Theresa Brennan with this felony conviction. She faces being disbarred. Live in Livingston County, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
All right, Jim, thank you.